Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Sunday, September 19th, 2021. It is 4:10 and 5 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Corona as airborne, so let's hop to it here. COVID-19 virus is evolving to get better at becoming airborne, new study shows. Studies suggest need for better ventilation and tight-fitting masks, in addition to widespread vaccination to help stop spread of the virus. Date September 16, 2021. Source University of Maryland. A new study finds that SARS-CoV-2 is evolving toward more efficient aerosol generation, and loose-fitting masks provide significant but only modest source control. Until vaccination rates are very high, continued layered controls, including improved ventilation, increased filtration, UV air sanitation, and tight-fitting masks are critical to protect people in public-facing jobs and indoor spaces, researchers urge. The latest research study provides further evidence of the importance of airborne transmission. They know that the Delta variant circulating now is even more contagious than the Alpha variant. The research indicates that the variants just keep getting better at traveling through the air, so they must provide better ventilation and wear tight-fitting masks, in addition to vaccination, to help stop spread of the virus. The amount of virus in the air coming from Alpha variant infections was much more, 18 times more, than could be explained by the increased amounts of virus in nasal swabs and saliva. Researchers already knew that virus in saliva and nasal swabs was increased in Alpha variant infections. Virus from the nose and mouth might be transmitted by sprays of large droplets, up to close to an infected person. But the research study shows that the virus in exhaled aerosols is increasing even more. These major increases in airborne virus from Alpha infections occurred before the Delta variant arrived and indicate that the virus is evolving to better at traveling through the air, and to test whether face masks work in blocking the virus from being transmitted among people. This study measured how much SARS-CoV-2 is breathed into the air and tested how much less virus people sick with COVID-19 exhaled into the air after putting on a cloth or surgical mask. Face covering significantly reduced virus-laden particles in the air around the person with COVID-19, cutting the amount by about 50%. Unfortunately, the loose-fitting cloth and surgical mask didn't stop infectious virus from getting into the air. The take-home messages from this paper are that the coronavirus can be in your exhaled breath, is getting better at being in your exhaled breath, and using a mask reduces the chance of you breathing it on others. And this means a layered approach to control measures, including improved ventilation, increased filtration, UV air sanitation, and tight-fitting masks, in addition to vaccination, is critical to protect people in public-facing jobs and indoor spaces. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.